Congratulations for making it to this part of my training. You have set up a web hosting business for yourself. Your web hosting site can now start accepting new signups. Let me show you how clients will register accounts on your site. So I'm going to demo the overflow, how clients will register an account and how you receive your clients, how you onboard your clients, and what have you inside of WHMCS. So clients will land on your site like this and click on order hosting. They'll pick a hosting plan. They'll ask to enter their domain names. And then click on check. The website will check for this domain's availability. Click on continue. From there, we pick a billing cycle and continue. They'll pick either DNS management or ID protection and click on continue. After that, they'll enter a coupon code. I'm going to use the code that we set up, and this is the code 40% off. I'll click on validate code, and our promo codes has been accepted. This is a discount. Our clients will get discount when buying web hosting services from us. You can also create your own coupon codes. If you have not watched that video, go back and watch that video. Let's click on checkout. Clients are asked to enter their personal details. So I'll enter these details, pick a payment method, and then accept to your terms and complete order. This is the same flow your clients will pass through when buying domain names from your site. I've filled my details. Now, I'll generate a password, copy password, and insert it. Pick a payment gateway. We are going to be using PayPal because with Stripe and Firewave, I've not entered my live credentials. Because of that, I can't pick payment. So let's use PayPal. In your case, you're going to accept live payment after implementing your live APIs. Your clients can leave notes when buying domains or hosting services from you. Scroll, and they can join your newsletter. Automatically, it's turned on. If they want, they can turn it off. I'll accept your terms and complete order. I'm taken to a payment gateway, which is PayPal. So let's wait patiently, and the site will automatically take us to PayPal. You can see it's taking us to PayPal. But the problem is I don't have a valid PayPal email. Because of that, we're seeing this error. But you're going to receive live transactions. Okay? So something went wrong. Just click here to go back. And we are inside our dashboard. Alright, so that error we just saw there, you are not going to see that error. We are asked to verify our emails. So we can verify our email. Let's click on services and my services. And your clients will see their hosting package here. They can click on it. And log into cPanel once their account is live. So let me now take you to your end and show you how you can activate the account. Here is your WHMCS, and you're going to see pending order. You also receive series of emails about this order. Once you receive your payment, go inside and make sure everything is okay. Check to see if you have received the money. After that, go inside and click on what? Click on the client and pick products and services. After that, you can see their package. This is their server. All right, this is the server we set up. Just leave it as default. Next, make sure you click on create and then click on create, and the status of this account will turn to active instead of pending. Once the account is provisioned, you're going to see this status switch from pending to active, just like this, and this will serve as their cPanel lock-ins. Your clients are also going to receive a series of emails about this new account. You can log into this cPanel by clicking here, and you'll be able to log into this client's cPanel. And we're taken to cPanel. Your clients can also do so by clicking here to log into cPanel. So now your client's account is active, except for their domain names. All right, they will see a notice like this if they have pending invoice. Because I have not made live payment, I'm seeing this. So go and approve their invoice or accept their invoice after receiving your payment, and make sure you mark it as paid, just like this. We have accepted their order. Now reload, and that notice is gone. Clients can upgrade their account by clicking on upgrade, downgrade, and they can upgrade from basic to standard. Clients can activate the affiliate account on top and click on activate, and this is going to be the affiliate link. This is the welcome bonus we set up in our other video. Let's talk about the domains. Clients' domains are still going to be what? Inactive. So you have to activate it manually by going to domains, but make sure you find your domains registrar's account. So go to domains, scroll and make sure registrar is selected. Scroll down and click on register. All right, make sure your registrar's account has funds inside. The moment you click on register, it's going to communicate with your registrar, which is connect reseller, and then this domain name will be registered. Clients are going to see everything in their dashboard and not any of your resellers partner, something like Makigo Host or Connect Reseller. You have no idea where you get your network or service from. And that's it, guys. So in my next video, I'm going to give you a health resource, and I'll also be showing you how you can contact me, how you can get my support when running this business. So hoping to see you in my next video, which is my last video of the series. Thank you again for making it to this part of the training.